Guys, now we are moving up to Poilwa. That is a sheep farm. See you guys there. So this is the road condition for Poilwa. It's off-roading. So I don't know, I hope I will be able to manage. Yeah, this is the road condition to Poilwa. As you can see, you will find more worse than this. Ulai do? Ola. Hoi do, ulau do. Duk pai side. Half bi pun janai na. Hoi do. Haha. You will get a good view before reaching Poilwa. I think this is Student Union Hills. Huh? Student Union Hills. Before reaching to Poilwa sheep farm. Yeah. Students Hills, Poilwa Village, Parent, Nagaland. PSU end. Hello, we have reached. This is Poilwa Village, and we have to go down there to go to the sheep farm.
Hello.
Cha, how is your experience? Scooty though, I won't suggest.
Scooty though.
Yeah, I won't suggest. If it's bike, then yeah, it's okay. But
Bike be expulsive law like that.
expulsive wala kya expulsive na wale dikdar wo. Hello, mujun la itu khawle la saman uthawo. Uthaine duri ne niche de. Kho view sign khawo but thade pork banai na se. Chalo.
Saya bagi banda tu, pura bosti manu ini bandi deh. Village boy aja itu.
Hila boleh nawa tu na. Helmet orang tu lagi tu. Chalo, we have rice and curry here. Let's go down. We have to go down there. Aji tu kon pin nahi ni na. Tu ke se school ase? School ase ni na? Government school. Bisi durun tu na ula. Halala. Very tired. You can see here. Registrations down here. They are restricted to the sheep farm. So hello, this is the view of Poilwa sheep farm. My friend is down there, and yeah, I think the sheep are kept there, and we are not supposed to enter there. Just we can take the picture, videos. Yeah, that's all. We cannot enter. Registrations will be up there in that small hut. This okay, then we can go down. So yeah, this is the view. So I'll update you the registration fee as well. You can use drone, anything for recording, but you have to take the permission from the management. Yeah. Chalo, jaga to sundor ase. Bole bitor fale to gushibole naparo. Upai nai, gushibole na de. Kali photos, videos kani lobi ko ase. Mola friend niche de boy ase. Ha, gorom lagi is na. Oh, we will sit here under the shade and we'll have our lunch. Hello, let's go down there and see. Ah. Hả? Ôi, nếu bọc bè sẽ tiện. Ồ. Hello, hello. तो अरो रास्ता तो क्यों को जाला से दूधो रास्ता तो को जाला से
그럼 우리 포토 기준아 포토.
기저도 my friends want to take photo sessions. Okay, we are going inside. I thought that it will not be allowed, but it seems we have to pay 30 rupees to enter here per head. So we paid 60 rupees and salau. Let's go and check it out. I think they don't have much sheep, just few, maybe few of them. I think that's for their food or maybe for drink water. Yeah, so that's, I think that's only sheep left out. They don't have much. Yes, you can see them. Hello, we are moving back. Bye bye, Poilwa.